If you need to change the color of artwork, maybe making all the colors in a poster lighter or creating different versions of a single logo, for instance, having to change each and every color can be time-consuming and challenging. Using the Recolor Artwork feature in Illustrator, you can do this simply and quickly. To follow along, open this document from the practice files for this tutorial. To recolor artwork, first you need to select the artwork you want to recolor, like this logo. In this case, you'll adjust the colors for the entire poster. To select everything in the poster, choose Select, All. Now you can recolor all of the selected content at once. In the Properties panel to the right of the document, click the Recolor button to open the Recolor Artwork dialog box. Recolor artwork in Illustrator can be a really powerful tool, yet a relatively easy way to make large color changes to your artwork. Click the Edit tab so that you can see a color wheel. On the color wheel are all of the colors that Illustrator found in the selected artwork, represented by these little circles. The purple from the background, the green from the leaves, and so on. You can change these colors in whatever way you want. For instance, you can change the colors independently. Drag this purple color into another part of the color wheel and notice how the purple in the artwork changes when you let go. If you need to move the dialog box out of the way, you can drag it by the title bar at the top. You can also change all of the colors together, maybe to brighten them all or shift the colors in the same way. To change the colors back to what they were before you change the purple color, click this eyedropper. That's really helpful if you experiment but then want to go back to the original colors. To ensure that all of the colors change together when you drag one of them, click this Link Harmonies button. Now drag the purple color again to another part of the color wheel. This time notice all of the colors are changing. Make sure you drag the purple so it becomes a green and looks something like this. You can also adjust the brightness of the colors, making them darker or lighter overall by dragging this brightness slider left or right. Once you're happy with the colors in the poster, click OK. Instead of editing the colors in artwork separately, the Recolor Artwork feature gives you a powerful way to edit a series of colors quickly and visually. Now you can explore editing color in your own projects using Recolor Artwork, maybe creating several color versions of a logo.